Hello guys, welcome back to Rain's Academy. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the move tool and the sticky mode options in the ZBrush. So before starting the video, I just wanted to let you know that I take online classes. If you're interested in online classes, just please do contact me on my WhatsApp number or my social media handles. I've shared that in the description and my WhatsApp number is on the screen. You can go through. Just send me a hi message and I'll get back to you. So let's get started with that. Right now I've got this model here, which is an example file, demo soldier. So I have to talk about the manipulator position and all. So whenever you open a new file, let's say if I open the demo soldier as default object, the manipulator is sitting at the home location, and you can alter the position of this particular handle by pressing Alt and then moving it anywhere, and that position gets altered. You can also choose this lock button and then just move it, and you can alter the position of this gizmo. Not only that, you can rotate the manipulator and change the orientation of this manipulator here. And you can also reset that by just clicking on the home button. And when I'm doing that, I need to press Alt and then reset it, because the manipulator was going to home, by which the distance it was maintaining from the model to the object, it has offsetted the object that distance. So to avoid that, press Alt and then hit on the home button. So the pivot point goes back to its original position. You can choose this reset orientation button, which is again, when I normally click, you see the altered position of this model. While I want to press Alt and then click it to reset the orientation. Yeah, that's good. Now, what's the problem here is when I change the model, or let's say if I select the model, this is a small observation just I wanted to share. When I just Alt click on the model, West is the model which I'm going to select. I have selected it directly without going into the subtool. Okay, till that there's no problem. But the problem is when I click it second time, the manipulator position is altered. So Alt click one time generally selects, but Alt click second time alters the position of the pivot point, and also it orients the pivot point also. Now, where did that pivot point go? So whenever I click anywhere, the pivot point will relocate itself to the clicked point or the vertex, and the orientation is facing to the normal of the face here. So that will allow me to transform the face in its local axis. That's the overall use of it. So we have sticky mode here. So sticky mode generally does what is, I can just click on the sticky mode, but I just wanted to tell what the sticky mode is about. When I move the object moves and the manipulator stays with it. While if I switch on the sticky mode, I move the object, the manipulator will go back to its original position where it was. And even this applies with the orientation. So I need to switch off the sticky mode so that I can orient this. And when the sticky mode is on, no matter how many times you rotate, the manipulator comes back to its original position. So sticky mode is generally that's how it's used. But if I generally enable sticky mode here, okay, that's on. Now, if I alter the position using Alt, you cannot alter the position. So this is something really cool where I can keep the pivot point of the model intact with it, no matter how you are changing it. But there's a bet again. ZBrush has this problem that if you alter it with the Alt button, you're moving it, but it's not moving there, right? But if you press Alt and then click, this sticky mode rule doesn't apply. There's a limitation here. So I just wanted to share these observations with you so that you can also just keep an eye on how this gizmo generally behaves, because it is quite confusing for the beginners. If you want more such videos, just subscribe my channel, and if you got any questions more about the video, you can ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video.